Have you ever stopped to listen to the sounds of nature? The world around us is filled with a symphony of natural sounds that often go unnoticed in our busy lives. The gentle rustling of leaves as they dance with the wind creates a soothing melody that can calm the mind and soul. The crashing waves of the ocean, with their rhythmic ebb and flow, provide a powerful and grounding soundtrack to our lives. The sweet melodies of birdsong, each note a testament to the beauty of life, fill the air with joy and serenity. These are all vibrations, frequencies that create the symphony of life. Just as nature uses sound to heal and harmonize, so too can we tap into the power of specific frequencies to promote well-being in our own lives. Imagine sitting by a serene lake, meditating, and feeling the vibrations of nature around you. These frequencies, known as solfeggio frequencies, have been used for centuries to promote healing and spiritual growth. Ancient civilizations understood the power of sound and incorporated these frequencies into their spiritual rituals and healing practices. Our bodies and minds are constantly interacting with these subtle energies, whether we are aware of it or not. Walking through a forest or relaxing in a peaceful garden, we are enveloped by these natural frequencies that can enhance our well-being. By consciously tuning into specific frequencies, like 528 Hz, known for its DNA repair properties, and 639 Hz, which is associated with balancing relationships and connecting with others, we can influence our physical, emotional, and spiritual states, bringing ourselves into greater harmony with the universe. Imagine meditating under the night sky, feeling the vibrations of the universe aligning with your own energy, creating a sense of peace and unity. The music of the universe is always playing, and by tuning in, we can find our place within this cosmic symphony. Known as the miracle tone or the love frequency, 528 Hz is a powerful healing frequency that resonates with the heart chakra, the energy center associated with love, compassion, and empathy. This frequency is said to have the ability to repair damaged DNA, the very blueprint of life. Imagine a musical note, a pure and resonant tone, gently vibrating through your cells, bringing them back into a state of balance and harmony. This is the essence of 528 Hz, a frequency that promotes healing at the deepest level. Our DNA, the intricate code that holds the instructions for life, is constantly bombarded with environmental toxins, stress, and negative emotions, all of which can cause damage and mutations. These environmental factors can include pollutants in the air we breathe, chemicals in the food we eat, and even radiation from electronic devices. Stress, both physical and emotional, can further exacerbate this damage, leading to a cascade of negative effects on our health. Negative emotions, such as anger, fear, and sadness, can also play a role in weakening our DNA, making it more susceptible to damage and less capable of repairing itself. 528 Hz acts like a gentle wave, washing over our cells and repairing these broken strands, restoring our DNA to its original healthy state. This frequency, often referred to as the miracle tone, is believed to resonate at the core of our being, promoting a sense of peace and well-being. As it permeates our cells, it helps to realign and stabilize the DNA structure, facilitating the natural repair processes that are essential for maintaining our health. The gentle, soothing vibrations of 528 Hz can also help to reduce stress and promote relaxation, further supporting the body's ability to heal itself. This frequency is also believed to have a positive impact on stem cells, the body's master cells that have the potential to develop into any type of cell in the body. Stem cells are crucial for growth, development, and repair, and their ability to transform into various cell types makes them invaluable for healing and regeneration. By enhancing the activity and production of stem cells, 528 Hz may help to accelerate the healing process, allowing the body to recover more quickly from injuries and illnesses. This can be particularly beneficial for conditions that involve significant tissue damage or degeneration, such as chronic diseases and age-related ailments. By stimulating stem cell production and activity, 528 Hz may support the body's natural healing processes. This frequency can encourage the regeneration of damaged tissues, promote the growth of new healthy cells, and enhance overall cellular function. As a result, individuals who regularly expose themselves to this healing frequency may experience improved health, increased vitality, and a greater sense of well-being. The potential benefits of 528 Hz extend beyond physical healing, as it may also help to balance emotions, reduce stress, and promote a more positive outlook on life. By incorporating this powerful frequency into our daily lives, we can support our body's innate ability to heal and thrive. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy foods and exercise, we can nourish our energy field with healing frequencies. Listening to 528 Hz daily, even for a few minutes, can have a profound impact on your well-being. You may experience increased feelings of peace, joy, and connection, as well as improved sleep, reduced anxiety, and enhanced creativity. By incorporating this frequency into your daily routine, you're inviting its transformative power to work its magic on all levels of your being. Section 639 Hz, the frequency of harmony and connection. Imagine a frequency that bridges the gaps between people, fostering understanding, empathy, and harmonious relationships. This is the essence of 639 Hz, a frequency that resonates with the heart chakra and promotes connection, communication, and love. Just as 528 Hz works on the physical level to repair and regenerate cells, 639 Hz works on the emotional level to heal wounds, release emotional blockages, and promote a sense of inner peace and harmony. Section 6. Calming the storm within. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected. 639 Hz acts like a soothing balm for the soul, calming the nervous system, reducing anxiety, and promoting feelings of peace and well-being. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by stress, struggling with relationship issues, or simply seeking to enhance your emotional well-being, incorporating 639 Hz into your life can help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and grace. Section 7. Synergy of sound. Combining 528 Hz and 639 Hz. While both 528 Hz and 639 Hz offer powerful healing benefits on their own, when combined, their effects are amplified, creating a synergistic symphony of sound that promotes healing and transformation on all levels. Imagine the physical healing power of 528 Hz combined with the emotional balancing effects of 639 Hz, working together to create a state of complete well-being. This powerful combination can help to release emotional blockages, enhance communication and understanding in relationships, promote forgiveness and compassion, and create a profound sense of inner peace and harmony. The 528 Hz frequency, often referred to as the love frequency, is known for its ability to repair DNA, reduce stress, and bring about a sense of deep inner peace. It resonates at the heart of everything, connecting us to the universe and to each other. On the other hand, 639 Hz is associated with the heart chakra and is known for its ability to enhance communication, understanding, and love in relationships. When these two frequencies are combined, they create a powerful tool for holistic healing. The synergy between them can help to balance the mind, body, and spirit, leading to a state of complete harmony. This combination can also aid in meditation, helping to deepen your practice and enhance your connection to the divine. By using these frequencies together, you can create a powerful healing environment that promotes overall well-being. Whether you are looking to heal physical ailments, release emotional blockages, or simply find a sense of peace and tranquility, the combination of 528 Hz and 639 Hz can be a powerful tool in your healing journey. So take a moment to immerse yourself in the healing sounds of these frequencies and allow their synergistic power to transform your life. Embrace the harmony and balance they bring and experience the profound benefits of this unique combination. Let the synergy of 528 Hz and 639 Hz guide you to a state of complete well-being and inner peace. Section 8. Integrating healing frequencies into your life. Incorporating 528 Hz and 639 Hz into your daily life is easy and enjoyable. You can listen to these frequencies through music, meditation recordings, or simply by playing the tones on your computer or phone. Experiment with different ways of incorporating these frequencies into your daily routine, whether it's listening while you meditate, work, or simply relax. Pay attention to how your body and mind respond, and allow yourself to be open to the subtle yet profound shifts that can occur. Section 9. A Sonic Journey to Wellness. The world of sound healing is vast and full of possibilities. By exploring the power of frequencies like 528 Hz and 639 Hz, you're embarking on a journey of self-discovery and healing, a journey that can lead to greater health, happiness, and well-being. As you listen, allow the frequencies to wash over you, clearing away any blockages and restoring balance to your body, mind, and spirit. Embrace the transformative power of sound and unlock a world of healing and harmony.